Good morning to all of you. Good morning. Let everybody join in. I'm going to tell in 2 minutes what we have to do. Again, otherwise, I'll be only repeating and repeating. So let's wait for 2 minutes for everybody to join, and then I'm going to write down everything in the chat box about what you have to mark in the map.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell me what you have to mark in the?
Yes, beta, I am typing in the chat box. Now, please, everybody check your chat boxes.
Ma'am, we have to take a physical map or political map.
Read it in the chat box, Iram.
Okay, ma'am. We can do on any map. Varun, read the chat box. Ma'am, I send them. Ma'am, you have written in the chat box that mark Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. So, ma'am, can I do like that, which we have done, which we used to do in our previous classes when we used to do map, ma'am, with black pointed pen?
Yes, beta, you have to do it in the same way. Your map should be very nice, very neat, very beautifully colored and very beautifully marked.
Ma'am, what is written on third point, ma'am?
Oh, it's Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. I have mistakenly written K 2 times.
Ma'am, can I use, ma'am, instead of black pen, can I use blue pen?
But Iram, in your exam, you're going to get a black pen. All of you will get black pointed pens for map work. Nobody will use blue pen in your map.
Ma'am, we will get from school.
Why will you get from school? You have to bring your own stationery. I will not let anybody share any stationery with any student. Bring your own stuff, keep your own stuff with you, avoid any kind of touch. We have to take a lot of precautions, beta.
Ma'am, I will bring my own colors, pen and my
Yes.
laundry stick.
Yes, you will bring your own colors and you will not share your anything with anyone. Nobody is going to share his or her thing with anybody. Be sure to get your own stuff because teachers will not allow you to take anything from anyone.
Ma'am, can I do this work on my book map?
Yes, you can do it on the book map. No problem. Now, children, see, I have given you 7 things to mark on this map. I'm sure all of you will be able to do it. Today, if you're not able to do it, please take help from your book. You can open your book. You can see from there where exactly any state or anything that is given, it lies.
Ma'am, but the states one which you have given, it can be done on political map.
No, beta, it can
And-
also be done on physical map. It can be easily done on the physical map. Just look at those states in your book. I'm sure you'll be able to mark it. It is not at all tough. Why? Because these states
Okay,
are
ma'am.
lying on the corners only, not in the central part of India. The states I have given you here right now.
Ma'am, in exam, which type of map will you give? Political or physical map?
Beta, you will be getting both, one political, one physical.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
what we are doing?
Beta, I have given you map work to do. I'll just resend it. Take a map and start doing it.
Ma'am, physical or political?
Whatever, whichever map you have, do it on that.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell where is Indian Ocean located? Ma'am, in north, east, west, south.
What, beta? What are you saying?
No, I was saying that, ma'am, can you please tell me that ma'am, where is Indian Ocean located? Ma'am, it is north, east, or south.
Okay, who will tell where is Indian Ocean? Where does Indian Ocean lie?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Where
you
is
can.
Indian at the bottom of the map.
Bottom of the map towards the south of India.
Yes, ma'am.
We always mark Indian Ocean near Sri Lanka.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but ma'am, I cannot park Lakshadweep Island. Ma'am,
No, we have it in the book. We have it in the book, beta.
ma'am, I can help. Ma'am, it is inside of Tamil Nadu. There are some small dots. Lakshadweep Island.
Yes, correct. Okay, Iram, open up page number 120 of your book.
Ma'am, I have opened.
Now, can you see this map?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see Lakshadweep Islands?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
Good.
Ma'am, the Lakshadweep Islands are also in the page number 111. Ma'am, the first on the map only.
Yes, but we have this chapter coming, no? So I just opened it from 18th chapter.
Yes,
Which chapter are you talking about, Dave?
Ma'am, 17th.
17th chapter.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Even in the 17th chapter it's given. Yes, Noel.
Ma'am, what are we doing, ma'am? I have joined right now.
Noel, why are you being so late these days for your classes, beta?
Ma'am, my internet connection was very slow, so it was not joining.
All right. Now see, I have given some work to do. I'll just resend the work in the chat box. It is the map work that you're supposed to do. You have to mark these 7 things on physical or political map, whichever you have, you can mark it on that. Have you got it, Noel?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Utsav, so soon, beta, so quick. You've marked all of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Now color it, outline it.
Ma'am, I have also done. And ma'am, I have also outlined it.
Very nice. Very good. Now wait for others to complete it.
Ma'am, Chota Nagpur Plateau comprises, ma'am, 4 states. So, ma'am, we have to collect the boundaries of the various states and we have to write between of them.
Beta, wait, I'll tell you where you have to do. Just wait. Okay, children, I'll share a screen with you to show where Chota Nagpur Plateau and Malwa Plateau is.
Ma'am, I don't want Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau.
That is why I'm sharing the screen with you people
Ma'am,
so
I
that you can see all of it. Okay, children, see here. Can you see this?
No, ma'am.
Now,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now we can.
now it is gone. Where is it?
Yes, ma'am, now
Just wait.
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
You can see it now?
Yes, ma'am. Now we can see.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more I'm going to share with you. See this one. Who is this scribbling on the screen? Who is this little baby? I want to know this little baby's name. Now, can you see this? Central Highlands, Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, and Chota Nagpur Plateau is here. We have all of it here.
Ma'am, so this, ma'am, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Deccan Plateau, and ma'am, the Malwa Plateau, we have to mark in the physical map.
Yes, you can mark it on the physical map. If you want, you can mark it on the political map also. Who is this laughing in the class? See
But
here.
ma'am, what about the shapes? Ma'am, we have to learn the shapes also of Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, and Nagpur
Better
Plateau.
say when you mark it, it should be very close to it. And I don't say that you have to just put a Xerox copy of the shape. You have this idea where it is. You simply have to mark it over there. Now in this one, can you see Central Highland, Deccan Plateau? It is all given so clearly. Western Ghats,
Yes, ma'am.
Eastern Ghats. Pick up your old maps that we have done.
Ma'am, I am having that.
Yes. See those maps. From there, you will clearly find out where everything is.
Ma'am, can I post my map on the group?
Yes, Vita, of course you can post it. It will be a great help to those who are not being able to find it.
Ma'am,
All right, ma'am. So I am also posting it.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question
Ma'am,
to.
Ma'am, this is a Lakshadweep Islands.
Yes, Vita, these are Lakshadweep Islands.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Adrika.
Ma'am, that Malwa Plateau is near to Narmada River.
Malwa Plateau is near Narmada River. Beta, see, Narmada rivers flows through a lot of states, right? So it is Malwa Plateau. Yes, it is in that region only. Malwa Plateau lies on the western side, while the Chota Nagpur is on the eastern side.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to send a map to you personally or ma'am on the WhatsApp group.
Beta, on the class group. Send it on the class group.
All right, ma'am.
Ma'am, please see my map.
Very good, Beta.
Thank you.
Ma'am, please tell fourth A can send the map in the WhatsApp group.
Anyone from 4th A has done? Beta, after doing, you can share the map on class group. Okay? Any student of 4th A.
Ma'am, can we mark Sundarban in desert?
Sundarban in deserts. Sundarban is a desert, beta. Where is Sundarbans? In which state is Sundarbans? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, West Bengal. Ma'am, West Bengal.
And where are the desert states?
Ma'am, ma'am in the northwest. Ma'am, Alva Plateau. Ma'am, no, ma'am in the northwestern side.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent my map on the classroom. Ma'am, please tell is it correct or not?
Ma'am, what we have to do in ma'am, please send on WhatsApp.
Beta, you have to mark these things that I have given on the map of India.
Ma'am, please
Okay, who has
send in the
sent?
chat box.
All right.
Ma'am, please tell that is my map is correct or not.
Beta, it is absolutely correct. Wonderful work. Very nice. Okay, so Jayesh, I'm sending you the work again. You have joined the class very late. Children have completed their maps.
Ma'am, I don't, ma'am, I disconnect from the meeting.
Okay, you got disconnected. Okay, see, you have to mark these things on the map of India. Okay, I'm forwarding Adrika's map in class 4th A group.
Ma'am, done.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in my
Yes.
map, there is not the picture of the Lakshadweep Islands. And ma'am, I don't have, ma'am, how shall I mark the 4 northeastern states and 2 desert states?
Better look into your book. Take help from your book today. Open these chapters that are coming in the finals, and there you will find all this.
Ma'am, but how shall I write it, ma'am? I have a physical map.
Better just take, this thing, make a little dot, put an arrow, and then write. I'm not saying that whatever such big names will come there, they will not come there. Just make a dot and arrow over there, and you can write the name of the
Okay,
state
ma'am.
that lies. And Adrika beta, you have not marked the states, the northeastern states, isn't it? You have missed doing that.
Ma'am, can you see my map?
Better color it and send it to me.
Ma'am, I have sent it my web on WhatsApp group. Please see it.
Varun, I can't see your map.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
On which group have you sent? It's only Utsav's map over there. Nobody else's map is there.
Ma'am, I have also sent it.
Yes, Adrika, I have received yours, but beta, you haven't marked northeastern states. You have missed to do mark those states.
But
Ma'am,
ma'am, I
please see
didn't
now. It
get
is
that
coming.
to do.
What?
Ma'am, I didn't get that to do. Ma'am, over here, mark the following on the physical or political map
The
of
seventh,
India, ma'am. I
beta,
guess.
wait. The seventh point. Mark any 4 northeastern states. You haven't got the 7th point?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, please send it again.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
Varun,
see
say
it.
now.
Ma'am, please see it again. That it has come down
Have
now.
you colored it, Varun?
Yes, ma'am.
Adrika, can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm marking it now.
Varun, what are the spellings of Rajasthan? What are the spelling of Gujarat? What are the spellings of Western? So many spelling mistakes in one map, beta. How is this going to work? Iram, beta, color it, no?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the map, ma'am, but I cannot send it.
No problem, Noel. But make sure to mark down all the things, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, children, in your zero period, be prepared for your dictation. We are going to do difficult words from all the chapters.
Ma'am, today you will take a zero period.
Yes, I will take your zero period, all the 3 sections.